Previously on the GS Transylvania tour. Welcome to day number 4 of the RideX GS Transylvania tour. Today is the longest day out of the tour. We've got 365 kilometers to do. A lot of it is on paved roads, however, it's still gonna take us about 9 hours. But just look at this beautiful location that we're in. You could probably film about 20 movies here, including horror movies, but Romania is not a very well-known filming location. But enough dilly-dallying, let's get on the bike. We've got a very long day today. Enjoy! The day's riding started off beautifully. It was early morning, the air was refreshing, we were surrounded by trees and everyone was generally in a very good mood. Our first stop of the day would be in the mining town of Rosia Montana. Located in western Transylvania, the rich mineral resources in the area have been exploited since Roman times. We were told that today we had gotten special permission from mine management to visit an open pit copper mine. The off-road track to the gate of the mine, however, took us most of the morning.
Au venit? Da. Sunt pe acolo? Da. Sunt pe acolo. Mersi. Aici se exploatează zăcământul de la Rosia Montana, care este un zăcământ cuprifer. După cum se vede, ca și dimensiune este spectaculoasă. Are o suprafață de peste 140 de hectare și o adâncime pe verticală de 360 de metri. Cea mai înaltă cotă în zonă este în 1210 metri. După cum spuneam, este un zăcământ cuprifer care la ora actuală reprezintă cea mai mare cantitate de cupru cunoscută în România, undeva peste 60% din cantitatea de cupru cunoscută în România. Este în exploatare din anul 1977.
Diamantele unde sunt?
Diamantele mai jos, înspre China, Africa.
The stop at the mine, although amazing to witness, took up precious time and we still had lots of kilometers to cover. It was already midday, it was hot and we were hungry. After some more riding, we found a perfect spot in the forest for a bit of lunch, minor modifications to the bikes, and of course some juvenile fun. With our bellies full and our batteries recharged, we pushed on. The scenery seemed to change regularly, and even though we were riding in pretty remote areas, the people we met along the way always seemed to have a smile to share. Everything was going perfectly so far, almost too perfectly. Seeing a building in the middle of nowhere which looked like a castle, I decided to stop and take a couple of shots. But it seems that my mortal enemies, all the bees on the planet, had another plan for me and decided to attack. Leaving the scene of an almost crime and the light moving to a late afternoon yellow, we were treated to some of the best scenery you could possibly experience on two wheels. Our hotel for the night was an amazing, serene oasis of relaxation. Although tired from the day's riding, this hidden paradise within the mountains would serve as the ideal place for us to recharge for the next day's adventure.
Uite că nu știu Doline, vezi că ți-a venit alter ego. Hai.
Eu ruptă, că știu mai nu ai nimic. Este stiv.
Well, that's it for this episode, everyone. If you want to join us next year, the link is in the description below. If you've enjoyed this episode, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to catch the next one.